3 in the morning type shit. Need to be in the studio, but shit, right now I ain't worrying about getting in no studio, man. I'm just going with the flow. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, at 3 in the morning, the cup I am on it. Use a bugaboo, so she say that she want me. Hold up, wait a minute. Let me please my audience. It's kinfolk, past, present, future tense. See, you be flexing for them bitches, and I'm focused on my riches. I'm a boss, got troops and fatigue on my boots, and they coming to your front door, busting down your crib, taking all your loot. Speaking to me like it's all funny dandy. I know your soft ass sweeter than the goddamn Kit Kat candy. I'm sipping rosé while you still sipping brandy. See me, I'm a vet, 12 years in the game. You paying for pussy, and I'm fucking your man. She say she still love you, even though you were lame. Kinfolks in this bitch, just remember my name. Yeah.